still gonna be working on it here a little bit, but they got their laptops and stuff, probably doing some firmware updates or whatnot, but in programming. But we have the TAC 32 elevator, it looks like. I'm not gonna open it, I'm not gonna mess with this stuff. He's got it all set up. I'm not gonna touch any of this stuff, but they piped it in, they wired it in, put in LED lights for us. We shut down this thing and we got us inverter, a Gree inverter. Didn't know who made those, but so now we got some extra disconnects on the wall, elevator, tank heater. Now this goes to panel EHPS circuit 5, whatever that means, blah blah. Condensate drain outside. Yeah, once they're done with it, we'll open this, we'll do another tour of it. Some of the fire relays, they have to come and wire those to get them up and running. But the elevator box right here. So there you go. So we'll see. Remember, 5 behavioral safety traps. So anyway, so that's the elevator room, air conditioning room. And I didn't know this, but I didn't know about the brand name Gree. We have Mitsubishis. Ralph, we have some Mitsubishis on the property, all right? I think 2 of them. Two Mitsubishis, and then we have 2 Grees. One in the south wing, one in the west wing. And these air conditioning are thing in there, our elevator room, to keep all the circuits cool and dehumidified, I guess. And it's a tiny little thing. It's only a 1 ton, it looks like. 12,000 BTUs, so 1 ton. Looks like. The electricians wired this, but what I was told is it was supposed to be stranded wire, like a 14.8 or something like that. A 14.3 or something like that, stranded wire, because there's some kind of communications. Y'all can put in the thing. It's going to the disconnect, which goes to another disconnect, which goes to a breaker, which is freaking ridiculous, but that's the way they wanted it. And then of course it goes up to that thing right there. So alright guys, just a short video. That thing's so quiet that I don't think it's supposed to be working like this, because this thing hasn't shut off and I don't even hear a compressor. I don't know. Weird. But guys, this is our south wing elevator getting redone. Whole new elevator except for the car. Everything else is brand new. All the switches, doors, and motors and stuff like that, but the car still remains the same. It's what's called a mod kit, basically. Alright guys, just a short video today. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Y'all take care and stay safe.